Official astronomers are discussing the possibility of 3 days of darkness. Traditional sources of various astronomical and geological horror stories are often psychics who claim to have been shown such things in dreams and visions. Interestingly, it appears that renowned astronomers have also weighed in on the subject, with spaceweather.com releasing an entire film about a hypothetical scenario of 3 days of darkness potentially existing over 3 million years. In broad terms, astronomers explain that the Earth, along with the entire solar system, is not situated in a pure interstellar medium, but rather resides within a bubble created by the solar wind known as the heliosphere. And indeed, our galaxy is far from empty, teeming with objects such as interstellar gas clouds and dust clouds. The likelihood of the Sun encountering such a cloud is approximately 1 to 2%. Even the event of a collision with interstellar gas or dust cloud simulation suggests that the heliosphere would contract to a mere 0.22 astronomical units, AUs, the size considerably smaller than Mercury's orbit. And due to the heliosphere's flattening, Earth is exposed to increased galactic radiation. It also starts receiving bombardments of hydrogen atoms and dust from the cloud. Evidence of such bombardments has been discovered in the layers containing Australopithecine remains, leading astronomers to consider this as a potential cause for their extinction and the subsequent evolutionary leap. The extinction of the Australopithecines might have been due to a dramatic increase in cosmic radiation, or perhaps the cold interstellar cloud components drastically affected the climate. Climate change has been known to cause the extinction of various species, as we know. The intriguing aspect is that astronomers cannot directly observe a cosmic dust cloud in its path. It becomes invisible only from a distance, as if viewed externally. Additionally, it's possible to deduce the timing of an encounter with such a cloud through geological strata and then trace the Sun's trajectory backwards. Through this method, it's evident that Earth passed through a gas cloud in the Lynx constellation a couple of million years ago, and I did post a video on that yesterday. However, determining whether we are currently in a similar cloud is not feasible. The more reliable method is to deploy instruments within Mercury's orbit, where the heliosphere's conditions are most apparent, and even if we are presently within an interstellar cloud, assessing the situation beyond Mercury's orbit is challenging due to our limited understanding of the heliosphere's normal state. Interestingly, missions to study the Sun have increased in frequency, with numerous space agencies launching several satellites. This trend may indicate that NASA possesses additional knowledge. For instance, there is a hypothesis that we are at the edge of a massive interstellar cloud in the Leo constellation, and if this is the case, our journey through it could hold further unexpected events, such as a period of darkness caused by a dense layer of cosmic dust. And as I pointed out yesterday, this happened about 2 to 3 million years ago on our Earth. How do we know? The scientists who took ice core samples from Antarctica found that we did have such a dust cloud, and it was an extinction level event. And this is on Solask. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.